The James Webb Space Telescope, also alluded to as JWST or JWST, is an enthusiastic trailblazer that has uncovered surprising insights concerning stars, planets, universes, and other beguiling, tremendous characteristics, as well as setting new standards for scientific examination. JWST is hailed as the regarded Hubble Space Telescope replacement. Individuals, from one viewpoint, ultramodern the planet to the next, are exchanging photographs or using rough realities to make new stories pass close by us on the cosmic journey. 3 minutes sooner, James Webb stuck the greatest over-the-top disturbing picture at any point found in history. 365 days have outperformed for the explanation that why James Webb Space Telescope uncovered its absolute first basic photograph current the universe. Impressive stargazers universally, with its splendid central point, yet its cutting-edge finding is in phenomenal photograph present-day the universe that we have in no way, shape, or form seen before. Then, what has been seen such a long way via the James Webb Space Telescope is proposing additional requests than addresses. Scientists, as the substitute to the Hubble telescope, have uncovered new measurements roughly celebrity progress, universe arrangements, and the early universe. Just 1 month after the fact, the concealed pics were conveyed. The pics were delightful, revealing the universe comprehensively. Beginning in this manner forward, the some ultramodern exposures has taken contemporary, giving specialists a monster information mother lode. James Webb Space Telescope impressions, popular grandiose tarantulas, record-breaking region smoke stars close their critical impacts, and other sublime things have been recorded. This satellite observatory, 4982D564 F1 275 E1C 4 E6 33 ABC 33 15 470B, improvement, allows us to peer farther into the region than earlier, revealing previously faint nuances approximately the universe. Another length in cosmology has spread out because of the PIC, which can be coordinated as a method for detecting the essential 12 months most recent the James Webb Space Telescope's action. NASA conveyed a picture showing a piece of celebrity structure area inside the Rucci cloud complex. The photograph demonstrates planes catching from little child stars as a large, harsh, best-in-class particular assortment influence nuclear hydrogen, which makes up the red endures. The presents ultramodern a circumstellar plate builds various inquiries on the capacity for planet improvement in the past. According to NASA, this elite nursery is close to nothing and serene in correlation with others. Large numbers contemporary the young stars in this nearby are about the aspects present-day the Sun or fundamentally more unobtrusive. Making at the nearest megastar shaping locale to Earth, this photograph became stuck with the guide of the critical digicam, state-of-the-art, the observatory, the Webb Space Telescope's near-infrared computerized camera, which gets close-to-home pictures in 2 extraordinary infrared ranges all at the same time. While besides the Hubble Space Telescope has updated our records on exoplanets or universes that circle stars other than our Sun, James Webb is especially able at examining a long-way current universes. The satellite TV for PC observatory saw as its first exoplanet, LHS 475b, cutting edge the beginning fresh out of the plastic new 2023. The planet is 41 light-years away and has an expansiveness commensurate to Earth. As in accordance with NASA, J. Webb is the as-it-were useful telescope in shape for sequencing the air's current Earth-sized exoplanets. The experts liable for the assess foundation that made the disclosure saw how real the telescope was. Horrendous exoplanets are right now another desert for stargazers to dissect. After that, the James Webb Telescope found proof the present one-of-a-kind enormous frameworks that, according to a speculative point of view, shouldn't have existed. The E-stomach current, Swindon School, and its worldwide association have found 6 moners, old universes called universe breakers, likely changing our perception current room. These monster universes might have framed among 500 to 700 million years after the huge explosion. Using the telescope's infrared sensors, analysts can assume back in time around 13.5 billion years to when stars and grandiose frameworks have been generally more energetic. The monstrous length present day, the universe breakers has left scientists haggard. Frameworks in the early universe ought to have been 10 to multiple times less enormous than these revelations. Underwrite exhibiting that those 6 contraptions are most likely billions of cases heavier than our Sun. The some cutting-edge stars in a single universe might be 100 billion times heavier than our Sun. Seeing such huge substances requesting circumstances are observations, but innovative movements planned for planets that are exorbitantly gigantic for their children have left experts jumbled. One such disclosure is a planet contemplated exorbitantly gigantic for its sunlight-based. At the present are too startling a reassessment cognizance, best-in-class planet improvement and planetary system setup as in accordance with models made via stargazers. A planet various times greater than Earth turned into viewed as in a planetary structure around the ultra-cool star LHS 3154, which is basically extra unassuming than our Sun. Previously, experts didn't take delivery of any such arrangement was potential. But new evidence shows that the largest planet in our Sun-based outline work circles one of the universe's humblest and coolest stars. Ultra-cool Bantam. This finding suggests we have a lot to learn about the universe. The present day, this significant planet challenges our assumptions since it circles a VIP with an in a general sense lower mass than expected for one of these planets. These stars would conceivably have framed in a critical fuel and soil fogs, and planets could frame from the extra texture in the circle around the youngster star. But it turned into no more typical that the planet structure-forming plates around low-mass stars like LHS 3154 could incorporate enough strong mass to shape this sort of immense planet. This accepts us to reevaluate our hypotheses on superb and planetary improvement. A valuable similitude appears to be on the genius to a pit fire to protect up with warmness because the chimney's temperature reduces you need to draw closer the reality that Muse makes planets practically identical to those be adequately hot to help liquid water. They should be closer to their stars for variety. Earth is in the focal point of the reasonable zone. The water, moreover, heats it gets from the sunlight. Unique planets in our planetary association are all things considered unnecessarily far or exorbitantly near to get the right level of gentle to help ways of life. Now imagine a universe with an exceptionally cool hotshot very much like moving more like an outside hearth. Planets surrounding a cold, popular individual ought to be arranged to get an appropriate proportion of profundity and gentle to help life. The expansiveness of the planet circle should also be changed in accordance to give the palatable distance for power and gentle getting back to our past verbal trade. There are different hypotheses as to why this planet shaped close to the Little Mies star. As demonstrated by one extensively held conviction, the planet could have been out and out bigger previously, everything dropping an enormous ultramodern its mass over an extended time. But this hypothesis has a blemish because losing mass causes a planet to lose more fuel than solids. Assuming the planet's mass turned into principally gases, it could battle with cutting-edge discoveries. Another justification is that the huge planet structures close to the little well-known individual, assuming the planet kept far away from the little star without getting ultramodern gentle, it could, in all probability, be ice-covered. The star could finally gravitationally attract the some distance most recent planet, coming around in the huge planet being close to the little star not endearing likely explanations. Experts are however, unsatisfied to totally decide out the idiosyncrasy. In any case, with cutting-edge technology like JWST, analysts are presently inspecting planetary systems in additional detail. Each new finding pushes how we may decipher the universe further over the last months. We have dove further into how the universe has designed then in the beyond 30 years. The astounding degree current realities from the telescope has proactively led to fundamental scientific progress. Exceptional cosmologists and touching off leisure activity in future space research with the James Webb Space Telescope working for a here now one issue is certain: the universe is absolutely more amazing than we recently envisioned, and there are quite a large number of requests yet to be tended to the disclosures through the James Webb Space Telescope. JWST save on uncovering the universe's huge complexity, testing our previous information and introducing new correspondence starters for cosmologists. One fundamental area pristine-side interest is the point BYO thought contemporary exoplanets, specifically those with conditions that might need to maintain life. The telescope's capacity to assortment the air's current Earth-sized exoplanets allows specialists to look for advanced notice signs current water, methane, and one-of-a-kind iotas fundamental for life. This capacity fundamentally overhauls our knowledge into planetary structures and their actual limit with regards to reasonableness. Also, the JWST examination cutting-edge ancient frameworks as an example the universe breakers gives bits popular ability into the early universe's improvement and headway. These enormous global universes, which face up to present-day theoretical models, suggest that the universe's underlying turn advanced, exercises transformed into more strong and complex than previously idea. The telescope's capability to think returned in time catchy.